Hello everyone. Now let us discuss on boat company business model Canva. To tell about Boat is an Indian-based consumer electronic brand established in the year 2015 in markets. Provides earphone, stereo headphone, travel chargers, rugged cables, and some other chargers, etc. To tell about boat, the founders of boats are Samir Ashok Mehta and Aman Gupta. It was established in the year 2015. The CEO of boat is Aman Gupta. It- the headquarters was located in Mumbai and Maharashtra. The total number of employees working in the boat is 305 employees. It was a private ownership company. The total annual income of boat is 50 crores. The total worth of boat company was 704 crores. The next slide will be explained by our teammate.
Hello, myself Deepan Chakravarti. The topic is customer attraction. Massive, huge urban markets and most people prefer quality products at cheaper price. That why boat is more selling product in India. Both quality products are low price and sell it on market to fill the customer needs. Both provide promotional offers and special exciting offers for customer and also provide a better support to the customers on the time of the claiming warranty. Both provide 24 by 7 customer service on the customer by replacing the product within the warranty period of 1 year. Both see quality both sell quality products at cheaper price and attracting the people and highly trusted. Both sales widely range of electrical products like headphones, earphones, travel chargers, and ru- rugged cables. Both also arrange exclusive products and launch events. The next topic will explain with our teammate.
Boat promotes its product on various platforms. E-commerce website, Boat officially websites, social media, TV advertisement, paid promotions. Key resources. Both have trust-funded partners like Qualcomm for the development and growth of company. Both also have a numerous amount of loyal customers towards them. Boats also have easy and a reliable payment system. Next slide talk about Deepan, Deepak.
Hello, myself A.D. Kumar. To speak about customer satisfaction. Uh, Both not only producing quality products but also provides a quality customer support. Both offers a great deals and discounts to the customer at attractive prices. Both gets good and full reviews on their product, which strengthens and strengthens the relationship company and customer. Both has to R&D platform to bring a new innovation on their product. Both introduce a new design that attracts users and also all categories. Both have a wide range product strategy for their customers. Also, the builder and managing two seller.
Thank you for wonderful speech about BMC
Thank,
and BoAt. Thank you all.
thank you, thank you.
Thank you.